Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I have no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is hashtag Stay Home 2020. Today's date is April 22nd, in the year of perfect vision. See that? Someone does. As I sit here today, right now, the state of Georgia is opening up businesses that are non-essential. Massage parlors, tattoo joints, sit-in restaurants. Apparently, the governor of the state of California, of Georgia, oh, what a slip there. Anyway, governor of the state of Georgia don't care how many poor people in his state gonna die. Because business gotta go on. Congress and the Senate coming back to vote on the newest relief bill. And instead of doing it from home, they can very easily Skype. Everyone knows what all 600 some odd of those people look like. But one group of politicians said, no, all voting gotta happen here. We can't have our legislators staying healthy. Well, if one of the legislators called back is sick and knows it, wouldn't it be ironic if they coughed all over that the people in that group of politicians that said, no, you have to come here. Get them sick. Talk about hoist on your own petard. Yeah. Man. How about price gouging? How How about $6.99 for a dozen eggs? Yeah. You know, 20 years ago, I started saying, if my mother could see the price of food, she'd have a stroke and die right there in Safeway. If my mother could see what's happening to the price of foods now because of this virus, oh, I think she'd go off. My mother had the capability of going off. Take Daisy Mae Moses on steroids, coke to the gills, and in a bad mood. That'd be Mom going off. Yeah. Price gouging is going on. Look around you. And you go to the store, if you can go to the store. I hear in Washington, you can't go to the store. You got to order your food in. $10 a pop for that phone call. And minimum, I've heard minimum $15 food order. 25 bucks for dinner. Hey, great if you're rich. It's looking like the National Guard is going to have to start distributing food because the politicians are not going to give people the money they're going to require to get food. Food riots are ugly. A word to the wise. You politicians out there, make sure people got the money to buy food. Anyway, this has been hashtag Stay Home 2020 for April 22nd in the year of perfect vision. Pull your head out, wash the shit out your eyes, and dig it out your ears, look around and listen. Things is changing. There are a lot of things you're not going to see much of anymore. And if you do see it, it's going to change so much that you probably won't like it. Good night from California. Stay home. Don't get infected. Piss off a rich person by not dying. That's the best thing you can do. Piss off a rich person by staying alive. Good night.